Hello, traders. This is Andy from Trade Ideas, and this is May the 2nd on a Tuesday. And taking a look at the market today, SPYs could not take out that 3 month high yesterday. And we are seeing a little bit of a gap down today, so wouldn't be surprised to see a little backing and filling maybe down to these moving averages. But or we can go sideways and let these averages sneak up behind it. Qs are a little bit of a different story. They held up yesterday. The multi-month high there and pretty much flat today in the Qs on there. No big gap there. Have to see how the open goes. But let's take a look at some stocks that are setting up well. First on the list is Logitech. Now this is an earnings play, okay. But what I do like about it is you got this big gap all the way to 68.28. Now I'm not saying it's going there, but want to keep that in the back of your mind. There's not any real resistance, to that level, but that's a big move. But anyway, over the course of a few days, who knows? Toll Brothers, the home builders, have still been exhibiting a lot of strength, and there you see my price alert in TOL above a multi-month high there. Be a nice little breakout in Toll Brothers. ABC is another earnings play, and right now it's kind of gapping up right in the middle of this range, but that's a pretty big pivot level there at the 168.75 level. So maybe put your price alert there if it goes through, especially on volume. It could have some momentum behind it. ON. Okay, this one has been just kind of hanging out up here near a multi-month high. I'm still liking this setup, even though it can be nasty at the open sometimes. Watch for a break above that 33.75 level. One other one, real quick, is Goog, setting up, still hanging out here, setting up well for a multi-month high there in Goog. All right, guys, have a great day.